Hi guys, today on Asia O'Hara Home, we are creating this exquisite fall wreath. So grab your coffee or tea, get cozy, and let's get to it. Okay, so for starters, we have this 4-inch wide green velvet ribbon. It is backed in green velvet. It also has a beautiful gold sequin border and this gold harlequin pattern across it. And we're gonna just start by cutting the bottom at an angle and then making our first bow. I do have a tutorial on bows, so I'll link that here. But we're starting with a 3-loop bow, which is twisting and looping and twisting and looping, making sure our loops are nice and pretty. And then we're gonna secure that with a piece of floral wire. Now this, I believe, is the first bow of the season for me, so it takes a second for me to get back into the swing of things, but we'll get it. Using our floral wire, we're going to affix this to the smack dab top center of our wreath, cut that tail at an angle, and then repeat the process. Now we have this 2.5-inch wide burgundy ribbon that has this gold floral motif on it. And we're gonna basically do the exact same thing, cutting at an angle, making our 3-loop bows and affixing that right into the center of the green bow that we started with. Now we have this 2.5-inch wide orange ribbon that I'm going to dovetail on the end. And this ribbon has a stunning damask stripe. I like pairing stripes and florals and different patterns. It just adds a lot of texture and interest. So we're making the same bows and we're putting this right in the center of the 2 previous ribbons that we've already used. For our last ribbon, we have this 1.5 inch gold burlap ribbon. Same process, you already know. Loops, twists, loops, affix it to the center of our previous bow. Very simple. Now we have these beautiful fall picks. They have pumpkins, hypericum berries, some maple leaves, pine cones, some turned glittered eucalyptus. And we're just gonna space these out around the circumference of our wreath so we can get some color in there. Next, we're going to tuck in these frosted beauties. Okay guys, so it's so important for me for fall decor to still feel alive and flourishing. So we're gonna pop in a couple snippets of this prayer plant. And these fun guys are gonna help us break up our severely rustic color palette. And to finish her off, we have this cute variegated checkered ribbon of pinks and purples and marigold. And that's it, you guys. Super simple and easy, quick, traditional fall wreath, all with items that you can find at your local craft store. I really have enjoyed creating this with you guys today. I hope you have a fabulous fall, and I will see you next time. Bye. And don't forget, if you're finding value here, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.